You can consider this video to be Sugar Cosmetics Lipsticks My Range or my mini reviews for their different formulas. So I'm very happy to take you through some different formulas which are their latest collections, not the Wonder Woman one that I haven't yet tried, but the others, the metal range and all of that. I'm excited to take you through it. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh. I'm so thrilled to be back with my beauty and wellness content on Joy Geeks. I love to explore beauty inside out and so happy to have all of you here. If you haven't subscribed, please take a second. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell will ensure that you do not miss a future post. Okay, let me continue. This is Sugar Cosmetics Metal Satin Lipstick in the shade Adela 04. I must tell you that this is definitely one of my most favorite formulas in the Sugar Cosmetics lipstick range because definitely it glides like makhan. You can see the pigmentation is very solid. It's very comfortable on the lip. It is not drying at all. It is a wonderful peach shade, which I think I can wear on a daily basis. Now this costs $9.99, but I think this is really worth it. Of course, it has very fancy packaging, very classy, very nice. It has its logo here and it has a good indication of the color on the bottom with the number, which is bold, which I really like. And then when you open it, it's wonderful. I don't know, I have nothing to complain about this. I do think it will suit even for darker skin girls. I have a feeling, not very dark, but at least 2-3 shades more darker than me will be able to carry it off. Let me see what are the claims that Sugar has. Lasts up to 8 to 10 hours. Well, I would say it lasts long, but 8 to 10 hours I haven't checked. Ultra lightweight matte lipstick. Yes, it is ultra lightweight and it is not extremely glossy, close to being matte. Yeah, luxurious powder matte finish. It's not powder matte, but it looks like a wonderful matte, which I like. Transfer proof. Okay, let's check that. Oops, it's not transfer proof. Enriched with carnauba wax for smooth finish. I agree with that. It's really nice. Maybe the lipstick needs to set a little more for it to be transfer proof, but even this much transfer is not too much. Even though it may seem that it's slightly on the expensive side, I think it's totally worth it. And on Amazon you get it for like $8.99. I really like this formula and I do want to try out more colors in this. I want you to comment with which are some of your favorites that you have tried out and recommend me to try. All the links of the lipsticks that I'm featuring will be in the description box, and I'm happy that a lot of them have some discounts. It's not, I feel Sugar Cosmetics doesn't give discounts too often, but these links do have some discounts, so check that out. This is Sugar's Matte Attack. It's transfer proof lipstick and it is in the crayon format. This is a shade called Tan Helen. I think this is a supremely pretty color. It is being called as a chocolate brown. I totally agree. I think especially for dark girls, this would be such a beautiful nude. I can't wait to see some of you in this. And for me, it is a beautiful chocolate brown. Light skin girls, this will look a little more bold, but it's really going to look very nice for Indian skin tone, I feel. I'll tell you the cost of this is $6.99. The way this has been made, I feel that it was really easy to wear it. They are saying it lasts up to 8 hours. It lasts pretty well. I wouldn't say it lasts for 8 hours. Starts off with creamy formula, sets to complete matte, which is 100% true. It's enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E. It is not drying on my lips, so I can say I agree with that. Non-drying and zero feathering formula. Yeah, it's non-drying. Let's check the transfer proof, okay? It is beautifully transfer proof, right? So I would definitely say you can go ahead with this lipstick. I love it. And I know if you've been eyeing my earring, this is from Beatnik. You can check that out. I'll add the details on the screen. But if you just type in aparnaganesh.co/Beatnik, it will straight take you to the site. And you can have this like supremely affordable earrings. I think it's wonderful how they're mimicking silver stuff. This is Sugar Cosmetics Metal Liquid Lipstick in the shade 07 Bellatrix. Such a sleek looking packaging. It has the shade number beautifully written down, and of course you can see the color through the bottle itself. I love that the wand has this special curve which is making it very unique to apply it on the lips. It has this tilt, it is very makhan like, it has a very creamy application, I would say, and it settles down to being matte. It's very comfortable. It does not have those cracks and all of those things. I love how moisturizing this is to the lips, and I love this color as well. It's creamy, lightweight texture, silky, smooth lips. I agree. It is enriched with avocado oil, I believe, antioxidants, vitamin C, A and E. Well, I feel wonderful on the lips, so I tend to agree with that. They say it lasts for 12 to 14 hours. I say it lasts for a decent time. If a liquid lipstick lasts me for anything from 6 to 8 hours, I am more than happy. Non-sticky and non-dry finish is what they're saying, and I agree with this. No transfer. How wonderful is that? I really do like this shade. This costs 1200 bucks. Of course, on the links that I've shared, it's some of the shades are slightly cheaper. It's 1079. What I would like you to look at is that when we buy international products, we are very happy to pay 2000, 3000 bucks, 1500, whatever it may be. This is an Indian brand with great quality. When we are looking at lipsticks, when we are looking at cosmetics, especially Indian made, let's not cringe about the price. I think it's worth it. And if there is something that is just not working, like most of their claims don't work, then of course you can skip it. But otherwise, let's try them out and let's support them as well, because they are giving us really good quality products. I like this a lot. Now, before I move on to another metal range in Sugar lipsticks, I want to take you through these lipsticks from the Sugar Cosmetics range, it's the Suede Secret Matte Lip Color from Sugar Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. I just showed it to you earlier, and I thought that this range was really good. This is a shade called Tweed Taupe 07, and I think this is a beautiful nude. This range is only for $7.99. I know for some people $7.99 would also be out of the budget. I understand that, but in the Sugar lipsticks, I feel that this is one of the more mid-ranged lipsticks. The other metal range are all about 1000. So if you want a good liquid lipstick of good quality, you could definitely try this out, and I really like the shade. I think it has a grey tone to it. But for very dark girls, I'm not sure what this is going to do, but lighter girls, this will be that grey toned rose nude color. About this formula as compared to this one, which was 1200 bucks, the packaging is very different. Secondly, the wand is different. As far as the formula goes, I will say that this lasts a longer time. This tends to come off sooner than this does, but you can reapply this as well. And there are tons of very beautiful shades in this. I think if this is too expensive for you, you can definitely go for this. It's not a bad deal at all. I should have featured this a lot earlier, but I'm happy to at least now bring all of these with me, because I have been using them, I've been enjoying them, I just never shared it with you. This is a shade called Muslin Mauve 01, a very, very pretty nude shade. I definitely think it's a wonderful nude for me. I think this would look good for darker skin tones as well. I have a feeling. Not at least 2 more shades darker than me will be able to use this. I am also very happy to share with you some easy tips that I have made for you, so that if you would like to get comfortable on camera, or if you want to, explore the video creation zone, you could get some help. And that's a free downloadable PDF, so you can just check that out in the description. You will definitely get use out of knowing how to shoot videos, how to present yourself on camera and stuff. Do think about it and check that PDF. That will help you to be a starter and to get really confident on camera. This is Rayon Rose, a beautiful shade. I really like this. It's bright. It just makes your skin feel alive. If you are not in a good mood and you wear this, you will definitely feel like, you really will feel great. And this is being called as a brick rose, reddish pink. I'm not sure I have featured this earlier, but this is definitely one of my favorite shades. And if you're wondering about this beautiful sari I'm wearing and this beautiful blouse I'm wearing, I will be shooting another video right after this, sharing some more wonderful ready-made blouses that I had shared earlier. If you haven't seen that video, I will share that link above. This is a shade called Nylon Nude, a beautiful muted pink. It's not yet dry, which is why it's a little shiny. I also wanted to show you what it's like at first before it becomes matte. And I of course really like the shade. I will wait for it to dry. Okay, now this is dried up. You can see the shade pretty well. Isn't this a beautiful pink, a nude pink that you can wear on an everyday basis? This will just go so well, even if you have like really lot of makeup, you want to apply something very muted on the lip. Beautiful shade. How cool is this shade? This is called Fleece Fuchsia number 15 from their Suede Secret Matte Lip color. And of course, it's a bright pink. It's not yet set right now. You will see it in a minute. Beautiful shade, especially for monsoon. I love these kind of bright colors. So this would definitely be a wonderful shade. Quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed, it's really important, especially now when there is so much happening. Just that free subscription that you can just hit will make the world of a difference to me. So please do not forget to do that. You can just click on the smiley that you see. That will take you to the subscribe button as well. Yeah, in the extreme left. And this is a shade called Satin Scarlet in the number 10. A bright, beautiful red that if you love reds, you're gonna like this. I am definitely a very huge red lipstick lover. So I love this when I want a bright red. Otherwise, normally I go for deeper reds. This will of course suit across skin tones, except that for very fair girls it's going to look like really bright. We medium skin girls get away with darker, brighter shades because it doesn't look as bright on us. But if you like bright shades, why not rock it? Some of you have also written to me about how you also want to shoot videos, you want to create your own YouTube content. And I was very happy. A lot of you did start off and have sent me links of your work as well. Kudos to you. And I do want to help you do this more. If you are somebody who was looking to do it, I am going to be holding some really free workshops. And I will share the link below. It'll be just for a few people, so you can sign up if you wish. I'll be just sharing the common mistakes you make while creating videos and some such topics. So you can stay in touch and check out those links. This is Sugar Cosmetics Metal Matte Lipstick in the shade Soteria. I love the color. I love the finish. The packaging is super sleek, and this lipstick costs about 1100 bucks, 1099. I wish this was slightly more pigmented for sure, but I like how smooth it is. Okay, this is such a beautiful shade. And what really baffles me is that I have some friends who really love this formula as well. So I think that you can probably try it out for yourself. Maybe it really works for you. This is long lasting up to 8 to 10 hours. Ultra lightweight matte lipstick. See, it is matte, that is true. It is lightweight, I agree with that. Luxurious powder matte finish. The finish is matte. It's like very less transfer here, but maybe I should try some more colors in this range. So then I will know. This is already a very nude shade. I will know if the pigmentation is solid or no. I want a little more pigmentation in this. Enriched with Carnauba wax for smooth finish. I know a lot of you have had a tough time, and my prayers and healing energies towards you. It was a little strange for me to create content in the last month for some reason, and I didn't. I'm back here hoping to provide some sort of relief for you, some sort of entertainment or something to take your mind off. And I hope that this works at least in that sense for you. I hope that this video helps you in some way and helps you to feel confident and go after your dreams, whatever it is that it may be, even on a Zoom call. Look your best, feel your best, just shine on. All right, take care, bye. I do look forward to hearing from you in the comments what you would like, and I'm delighted to make a lot more content for you.